Morning, everyone. We are at the Gran Destino Tower, which is part of Coronado Springs Resort, which officially opens, well, tomorrow as of the recording of this video. But I wanted to do a real quick tour of the room before I kind of settle in and put my stuff everywhere. So right here when you walk in the entryway, they got this really cool barn door that goes into the bathroom, which is really neat. Watch, it's on a roller, so that's really cool. And then going into the restroom, got your toilet in here, artwork on the wall, and then over here you have the double sinks, and over here is the shower, which really looks really nice with the all glass enclosure. And it opens up like so. And over here you got the shower head. And of course your toiletries over there. It's a really nice looking shower. And this door actually goes into another room if you get connected rooms. So let's head into the room here and kind of check out the room. Got a nice king size bed. Mirror over there on the wall, and you got your thermostat right there for changing your temperature. Over here on the entertainment wall, you've got, of course, a Keurig for some coffee. Got a lamp. Looks like it has 2 built-in USB chargers and 2 plugs up there for you to use. Of course, you got the TV, which of course, I believe they're going to have Disney Plus built into this later on in the year when Disney Plus launches. Disney Plus is going to be included with your stay at the Walt Disney World Resort, which is really cool. And over here you got a little table, little chair, some side tables, and a little couch for you to relax in. And then over here on the bedside table, you have a lamp. Looks like, again, 2 USB chargers here. Plug. You got a phone there. So that's kind of the overall view of the room. And of course, our room has a fantastic view of the tower, the Gran Destino Tower. And of course, you got all of Coronado Springs over there, so really fantastic views. You got the pool over there, and then this is the new front area, well, back area, I should say, of the Gran Destino Tower. So, and of course, you can see way over there, there's Everest, Animal Kingdom's over there. And I think that's really the only part you can see from up here is Animal Kingdom, so. But yeah, that's a quick room tour here at Gran Destino Tower at Walt Disney World Resort. Thanks for watching.